What is it? Yeah. We should probably leave at like 11:30.
It's an hour early.
Yeah, because as long as we get registered, we're good.
They were telling me we were hiding those skis because when I finish fucking first, I'm running straight to that car and cranking that fucking heat.
Forgot you got those weak bones.
Yeah.
It's not even cold. It's just like 30 degrees in here and 40 degrees outside. I was talking to Aiden about that day, and I was like, everyone kind of does their own thing for the pre-race. I was like, I'm eating fucking eggs and electrolytes. He doesn't really do shit. You're drinking a Budweiser.
Well, I had my liquid IV, so I'm set.
Just got all our stuff. About to go check out some of the obstacles first, and then we got about 30 minutes before it starts. I'm a little slippery guy like yourself and be fine. Alright, let's go fucking rip it. I got first place in Loserville. The aftermath. Johnny and Daniel's poking through the shorts.
Yeah. Just a sprint.
Seemed like the ultra.
Awesome. Thank you.
You guys hit the trifecta or what?
No,
This is our first one.
We're at it anyway. I did the trifecta last year.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Enjoy
good
your
one.
trip. Have a safe trip home.
Johnson's wounded. That kind of fucking gonna sting tomorrow.
Yeah, look at that bitch.
Ooh, how the fuck did you get a cut on your ankle?
I don't know. Fucking herself.
A wet wipe shower.
Oh yeah, clean down.
Whoa! And I beat Daniel and Aiden by like 25 minutes.
Sure did.
Yeah, that's right.
You keep telling yourself that. That's ready for this?
Yeah, what are you doing? Ooh. Oh yeah, no one touched the car.
All day. All day.
Ooh, not a good idea. Oh. Hold on, let me get that on 4K. Look at this fuck. You look like an old ass man, dude.
Oh, dusty.
But worse. Ah. Then we got Serious Dan over here.
No smiles out of this guy.
We got Silly John and Dirty Toad. Where's the Bruce? Where the fuck is the beer? Oh, I know where Aiden's going. Biggest wiener around. Let's see what this is. Free drink.
What do you want? I'm gonna get one. Let's see with you guys.
Get a Chico. Tapo, any kind, don't matter. I never even had them.
They're all good. You already got it here.
You got a
Somebody. Double fisted.
That's all you have. This is horrid.
Just hold it for a second. Oh, this is pretty fucking messy. Even Johnson's got a beer. $12 for a dog? I'll get one fucking. Hey, how you doing?
How about you?
Good. Can I do the big wall? Especially for like the fucking cargo net. It's like easy as fuck.
I literally climbed up the fucking middle. I couldn't hate it.
I did the 8 on the steel itself.
It's like, fuck that, everybody's
Really?
taking forever.
You fucking.
I was a scumbag, I don't care.
The dog. Alright, come on, work it down, pal. Ooh, that looks fucking awesome.
Eagle Falls, Haybrook.
Eagle Fall.
How about to find a bar?
Thank you.
I don't know what happened. First building we saw, too.
Adam, just a little. Ooh. Team for bunk for you guys. Thank you so much.
Look at that chili sauce. Huge fan of that chili sauce. Holy fuck. Kind of tastes like a Nesquik.
It just wasn't blowing nothing. This is what it's doing all night.
Yeah, hit the fan button.
Dude, I was freezing. I'm like, this fucking paper thin sheet that I got.
I always got hot dog places down here. I feel like it just turned into like a whole new town. Jesus. I think, what the hell was that?
I thought you were like that.
Compared to like the hand, those things are massive.
Thanks, bro.
Look at the size of it.
These are nothing.
Damn.
So like,
Ooh, honey.
Folks, here to try a little fruit this morning. Got pear
What is it?
salads.
A pear?
Yep.
Try it. Ooh,
Argentina, from Argentina, Patagonia region.
that's fucking
Really
good.
good fruit. Yeah.
That is good. Damn, thank you.
Take a sample? Yeah.
Oh, they got that horchata. Oh, my bad. How's it going, man?
Pretty good. How about you?
Pretty good. I'll just do like a small cup of this right here, the pineapple.
Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Can you sit over there? Thank you.
Hey.
Beverage for today?
Yep, just a small one.
$7, please. Thank you so much.
I just got pineapple.
Hello, a small horchata for you?
Yes.
Okay,
You got a
anytime when you're
horchata?
ready. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
That's so good. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh fuck.
I have it to pay on the right side.
Look at those.
So it's like rice, cinnamon. Oh my god.
Alright, Johnny, what are you thinking?
What do I think, Adam? I think it's another day in heaven, baby. My mom makes me kids this time.
All their places are good as well.
Is this every day or just on Sunday? Huh.
I mean, it's obviously busy and there's more people Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah.
So there's more vendors.
Holy shit. Look at the size of some of these. Look at the size of that thing. Just throwing a pounded thing around. Can I just do the cream chowder, please?
Absolutely.
Oh, you guys made a big pot of it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You just see the one we cook with. It's enormous.
Bigger than that one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's got clam chowder. There's cod, salmon, clam, and mussels in it. Look at that. Damn, that actually looks good. Show the cross section on that one. Ooh. You got the mussel, clam chowder, salmon, cod bundle. Look at that. Yes, sir. Look at that, dude. Look at this chunk of salmon. What are we thinking?
Got the old Sammy Sanny
Okay.
banging.
What are we thinking?
Oh, fuck. Can't get any better than that. Oh, God damn it.
That one good. Let me get a taste of that. Take a hunk.
Get a bit old
Splattered.
Dude, this is hotter than fuck.
Yeah, how do you think I felt carrying it over here?
Where'd you get it from? Place on board.
Yeah. You gotta get some chunks of meat in there.
There are.
You fucking
It's
vegan.
just hotter than fuck.
It's good, but it's fucking hot. It's hard to taste.
lemon cherry as well.
Of course. Do you want to have both of them right now or save for later?
I'll just take both right now.
Okay.
Hungry boy. Yeah, he's got the lemon pepper stuff.
Dude, they just.
I know, I've been telling you.
No,
No, it's there.
crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, then even softer in the center.
Holy fuck.
They're good, right?
Dude, what even is that? Is that tahini?
Yeah.
And what is the, He's always getting something with a little spice to it. I just want like warm beer. I just like sit at the bar and he's got Oh, thirsty boy. What you think of that beer, Daniel?
Not great.
Nothing like a Wiser.
No, that was like a heavy, dark wiser. That was like
I even ordered the
that's
white
like
one
the
on purpose.
like the black cases. You know what I mean? Like
Oh, the
Bud
fucking
X.
extra heavy.
Yeah, I think that's what I remember.
They're the type of beers that you can only drink like 3 in 2 hours. I'm so glad we started calling him Johnny. It fits perfectly.
Blue.
These rolls are good. Oh, yeah. How is she? Pretty damn good.
Yeah.
It's like my freaking 9th coffee of the day. Little ribeye. Gonna season it up. Let it sit out for a few hours. And then we're gonna grill it. Oh, he's getting mean with it.
Life's not as bad as you think.
Oh, okay.
I love the trains, I hope to be part of the wave, can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to.
That, what are the odds?
I'm starting to shower though.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I honestly kind of feel bad. You doing a gator? It's actually not as bad as you'd think. Then why are you all red?
Yep.
God, now my hand's cold.